Let's talk about Bosch 65-BS-04A 621,101 service disc for Tassimo T20 T40 T65 T85 Bosch spare part, plastic. Genuine original replacement service coffee maker cleaning disc. Made of plastic. Fits Braun Bosch Tassimo TA1000, TA1080, TA1100, TA1200 and TA1400 series models. Used when setting up the machine for the first time. Durable and long life. I think our original one of these ended up in the bin. I've now bought two just in case. Excellent original product that works in the way it is intended to, and I always use this to flush through our Tassimo when we have made our coffees, or hot chocolates. Also necessary for the maintenance part of the Tassimo machines. Ordered by mistake. I should have ordered the orange one. If you want this one, let me know. Free to good home. Obviously it's grossly overpriced, they probably make them for about 8 pence a piece. But if you need to descale and your reader scanner thingy is sighted at 2 o'clock, then you'll need one.